All right, guys, so this is the stuff we got to make our homemade wreath because we saw so many wreaths at the store that were like $80, $85, or around $50. So we decided we're gonna try to make our own fall wreath. So we got this. It was actually on sale for like $6. It's originally $20. If you can see it on there. It looks kind of Christmassy, so we're gonna try to recycle it, my cousin was saying.
It is Christmas if you see it. It says it right here.
So it's like really sparkly, and it looks like, I'll probably have to show you guys a different angle of it, but it's really like sparkly and snowy looking, but we're kind of going for that bougie look, as Kayla says. And we have these white leaves that kind of have like a, I don't know, they look brown, like a light brown look, almost a pinky reddish tone. And then we also have these leaves that they're the exact same leaves, I swear, but they just don't have these. The other ones don't have these. This is some really pretty ribbon that we got. So sparkly. We're gonna try to maybe like bunch it up and like, you know, make a bow with it. These leaves we thought matched the pumpkins because we saw the pumpkins first, and then we're gonna try to maybe put those on there with it. I had an idea that I wanted to do like white pumpkins. I wanted like a white and like gold fall look, so I have some white paint that I had already like purchased before that I already had, and then we also have it's almost like a copper metallic paint bronze, it says.
It really close to the edge so we have something to glue on. So make sure
Okay, so we were kind of like playing around like where we want the leaves to go. So we were like positioning them off camera, and we're gonna hot glue them onto the wreath. We're gonna leave some like bare spaces, and we're gonna add some of the ribbon after. Some of this ribbon on after, so some of the bare spaces. I wonder if we should put it on below it or no.
put the what?
The ribbon on below it, so it's still, or no, we can still put it in like behind it.
Yeah, if anything.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's gonna look good. This is kind of like a sideways view on camera. It's like a sideways because I would want like this to be the top and that to be the bottom. But it's gonna come out so cute.
Yeah, just start taking the stuff off and maybe glue or yeah, whatever you want to do. I'm just gonna pull them off in the position they were in and kind of like so we know how we wanted it. You want to glue them? I would go. Okay, here. The big one, because it's gonna go right
Where
here.
should I glue it? Like right here?
Right here.
Yo, I need another glue stick.
moved it. So this whole time I thought this was the bottom. Okay, so that's the top.
Actually up here. And I want to try to put some behind it, like so you can see it through here.
Through here.
Do you want to make a bow on the side instead of the bottom? Like on the side here? Underneath the... Oh. Like... I don't know how to make a bow with this type of shape.
Yeah, it's like that.
You might have it like there, like that. Side.
Oh, I get what you're saying.
That could be cute.
Do you like it on the side better than on the bottom?
Because I feel like on the bottom is like
It's kind of
basic, but we
weird.
can, like bunch it up and make it not even be a bow, but like bunch it up.
Like a little like bunch there.
Bunch of little bunches.
That looks cute. On the side, the little side.
I want to do on the side too though. Let's start with this side though, because honestly I don't know, like behind it, bunched up. That part. I'm scared I'm gonna sacrifice myself.
It's okay. Sacrifice is life. That's how we do it.
What? It's stuck.
I sacrificed the scissors.
Ooh, it's still hot, yeah.
Just crunch it up. Like that, ábrelo, yeah.
So basically I'm gluing to the pieces here. Yo, it literally came off.
You're lying.
Oh.
It's right here in my fingers. Sacrifice that shit. You have to let it dry. Blow on it or something.
Okay, it's good now. It's kind of sticky. Look, how does she look? She looks cute or whatever. Looks cute, looks cute. Maybe you can wrap it around a little bit here and then like stop it there for now. Or no,
We'll cover that.
Does it?
We're gonna cover it. So it goes one here. One, was it here? It was here, right?
Yeah. And then we have the red one over here.
Okay, let's do it. Ready? So we decided to add a couple of more leaves. So we're gonna add one more in here because it looked a bit blank. So we can like fill it in. And then also, we're gonna put one right here next to the pumpkin. So it looks more complete and more put together. It looks kind of plain, it needs a bow. Is that good or should I make it longer?
I love it.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, time to sacrifice. Give me that glue.